In this video, we are going to learn about stack data structure. It is one of the most important data structures in computer science. Stack is a linear data structure which is used to memorize homogeneous data. This follows a last in first out or a LIFO ordering principle. That is, the piece of information that enters the stack last can be taken out first. Consider a bucket. It works exactly like a stack. It has one closed end and one open end. The top of the stack can be represented by the open end. Now we have placed an element in the stack. Notice that the top of the stack keeps on rising. Here the stack is full. We cannot add any more elements in the stack. This is the general representation of a stack. We add and remove elements from the open end. These are some basic operations on stack. Let's look at them individually. Push operation adds an element on the top of the stack. When a new element is added to the stack, its top changes to the newly added element. Pop operation removes the element at the top of the stack. The element which is below then becomes the new top. Stack overflow is a condition where the stack is already full and we are trying to add a new element to the stack. Stack underflow is a condition in which the entire stack is empty and we are still trying to pop an element out of the stack. Using peep top operation, we can examine the top element without actually popping it. Note that the top element stays in the stack. These are the time complexities of the operations of stack. Note that the insertion and deletion operation takes only 1 unit of time. Stack has a wide range of applications. It is used to evaluate and convert infix, prefix and postfix operations. Recursive functions use the inbuilt system stack. Whenever we are searching for all possible solutions of a state, and if that state is giving no solutions, we can go back to the previous state. This is called backtracking. Backtracking also uses stack. Stack is used in depth-first search in graphs and trees. Parsers break down the given input in a certain manner so as to get meaningful data for further processing. Parsers use stack data structure.